It's Chantal with WildBerry Quilting, and we've got the Sweetwater Label Company labels. Now, this is part of it is a monthly subscription, and I believe it's $6 a month. I'd have to check my bill, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And you get between 1 to 4 labels depending on what the designs are that month. And these are for labeling your quilts. And they're all customized with your name on them. All right. It's got our little envelope. And, oops, let's see. Oh, they're sideways. Walk in the rain, smell the flowers, believe in yourself, create beautiful things. And they both say the same thing. And then, of course, they're customized with your name at the bottom. That is very sweet. I like it. Very different design than it usually is, I think. But I like it a lot. That might be really good for the what is it? Blossoms and bobbins? Bobbins and blossoms? Whatever it is. Quilt. Bobbins and blooms. How could I forget that? That might be a good tag for that. I'm going to have to see once I get done with it what I think. Well, once I get done quilting it, I should say. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.